Good morning. This is Norris, Crescent, and Lakeshore Road. Lakeshore Avenue, actually. Anyway, this is the Martin Goodman Trail. Takes a jog here. Like, you have to come up. I'm going right down here to the Martin Goodman, but right here you have to take a jog along Lakeshore Avenue West. And then you can get back on the Martin Goodman Trail. But this is as far as I'm going today. I did 50K this morning, but it's really nice along here, so I'm not going to speed through. I'm just going to take my time. Maybe take the camera off and film some of the lake. Film some of the puppy dogs. It's a really nice trail here. Mostly smooth roads and a great view. Little walkway, you can go up there to look out on the lake. A little lagoon here. Up here there's a super cool playground for kids. Oh, there's a pool over there. I didn't know that. But I've never really seen any kids here. I don't know why. I guess I'm here too early in the mornings.
Morning.
Morning. Another group of cyclists there. Anyway, show some more of the lake. That's the Etobicoke and the Mimico, Etobicoke and the Mimico Yacht Club over there. I'm actually going to go around this water and you can ride out to the point there. It's really beautiful. And if you're there first thing in the morning, you get a beautiful sunrise coming up over the city of Toronto. The skyline looks amazing. There's a walkway there for pedestrians. I don't think cyclists are supposed to go on there. Early in the morning you see lots of skunks here. Some raccoons in the garbage cans. This end here, I'm pretty sure is the Mimico Yacht Club. And the Etobicoke is out that way more. But there's some beautiful places along the lake here. Be beautiful in the summer, but cold in the winter. Nice waterfall there. I guess not a waterfall. Yeah, a waterfall, I don't know. Anyway, it's a lighthouse there. Another beautiful puppy dog. Place to sit and chill. Lots of dog walkers. I gotta put the camera back on the bars for a minute. This is probably called Yacht Club Road or something. I don't know what it's called. But look at this. Middle of downtown Toronto, and it's just stunning. Oh, some kind of lodge over there. A restaurant or something. Part of the marina, I guess. Mimico Cruising Club. I don't know, there's a bay here. And you can see the city skyline off in the distance. Although it seems a little foggy. Surprised the fog hasn't burned off. Yeah, so there's a point out here. Etobicoke Yacht Club coming up. The music's too loud right now. Can't hear the birds. Etobicoke Yacht Club, as I said. Oh, Humber Bay Park Road. This is the Humber Bay Park Road. This is just a spot to park and have a look. Can do a U-turn here on this circle, but look at this beautiful area. The city skyline there, rocky beach here. A lot of couples come along here and sit here. Good spot for a nature break over there, which I'm just about to do. Anyway, again in the morning when the sun's coming up over the city skyline over there, it's absolutely beautiful. Anyway, okay, that's it for now. I'm going to, I think I'm going to run out to Woodbine Avenue, but we'll see. I want to do the climb on Woodbine up to the Danforth, but I'll see how I feel when I get out there. As I said, I did 50 kilometers this morning before the gym, so we'll see how I feel. Okay, see ya.